Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to remove background in PicsArt. PicsArt offers several methods to remove backgrounds from your images, and here is how you can easily do it. Open up your PicsArt application to get started. From the first home page, make sure you go ahead and import a photo you would like to edit. Simply go ahead and select a picture from your camera roll, or you can also select a template picture from PicsArt, and once you import a picture, you will be taken to the editing screen. From your editing page, go ahead and scroll through the menu and look for the Remove BG option. This is the quickest and easiest method. Simply click on Remove BG and wait for a few seconds. You will then be able to remove the background from your image. Now, from the color palettes, select the background you'd like to apply for your image, and you can use colors for that as well as gradient colors. Go to gradient and create a gradient effect for your background by decreasing or increasing the slider, left or right. You can also go ahead and choose the gradient color by picking the color option. Select the color of your choice, and that's how you easily remove a background and also add a new one to your images. Remember that for using the BG tool, which is powered by AI, you must be a premium subscriber. After you are done with your edit, click on the Apply button at the top right, and if you are not subscribed to the PicsArt Pro version yet, make sure you do right now. You can also use the free trial by toggling on this button and clicking on Continue. Enter the payment method you'd like to use for subscribing PicsArt and you will be good to go. So that is how you can easily remove background in PicsArt using the AI-powered Remove BG tool for PicsArt. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.